Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, where performance, design, and precision meet. Today we're checking out one of the most stunning high airflow cases of 2025, the Geometric Future M5 Vent Mesh Panel Mid-Tower Case. This is not your average PC chassis. It's bold, modern, and built for serious gamers and enthusiasts who want both cooling power and aesthetic perfection. Let's start with the design. The M5 Vent Mesh stands out with its tempered glass side panel and full mesh front, creating a perfect blend of visibility and ventilation. The craftsmanship here is premium, built from 1.2 mm thick steel, giving the entire frame a solid, durable structure that feels absolutely top tier. This case doesn't just look strong, it is strong. Pre-installed, you're getting 5 140 mm ARGB PWM fans, already optimized for quiet yet powerful airflow. These fans illuminate your setup with vibrant, customizable lighting while maintaining low temperatures during long gaming or rendering sessions. And if you're going custom cooling, you'll love this. The case supports both 420 mm and 360 mm radiators, making it perfect for advanced AIO or full liquid-cooled builds. The interior layout is spacious and well-engineered. It supports E-ATX, ATX, Micro-ATX, and Mini-ITX motherboards, and there's generous clearance for long GPUs, tall CPU coolers, and multiple SSD/HDD storage options. Every element of this case is designed to make cable management easy, clean, and frustration-free. Front I/O connectivity includes USB Type-C, USB 3.0 ports, and a combined audio jack, giving you fast and convenient access for modern devices. The airflow design has been fine-tuned with side and bottom intakes, ensuring even temperature distribution throughout your build. From the thick steel construction to the ultra-smooth tempered glass and perfectly tuned fans, the Geometric Future M5 Vent Mesh Panel is a builder's dream. It's a case designed not only to perform but to impress from every angle. If you're ready to build your next high-end gaming rig, buy it now on Amazon, link is in the description below. And if you love discovering elite PC hardware, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews here on Gadgetverse.